We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Nantou County's Zhongliao Township is an area where there are many Hakka, and in keeping with Hakka respect for education, its school, Qingshui Elementary School, was built by the local Hakka in 1953. Hakka here originally engaged in the camphor industry, and later switched to bananas for export to Japan. After the 921 earthquake, Hakka farmers started to grow longyan fruit, longyan, and the area is now famous for this. The village head says he liked the spirit with which everyone pulled together after the earthquake, and he hopes to continue this with the Longyan Forestry Association to help locals establish their own brands. They have already built 3 traditional drying ovens and are looking for more fruit business opportunities for the area. The area's Hakka Association is also making a special effort to preserve Hakka mountain songs, as most of those who remember the songs are in their 70s, and they want to pass them on to the younger generation. Despite the earthquake, the Zhongliao Hakka are rejuvenating the area and keeping tradition alive too. Hi everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day. Ngai he Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alex Peng.
Okay, you see, I have a lot of friends who have kids now, you know, and sometimes they're very, very cute and adorable, 很可爱有的时候, but then 有的时候真的很讨人厌. So 我们要说这个2个形容词，一个说可爱怎么说，讨厌怎么说
OK, 等一下，
这就是可爱吗？我还以为你在叫我等一下，你还要准备化妆一下吗？等一下，
等一下，
等一下，That's 可爱 cute。那如果倒过来很讨厌，就是 very annoying。
等一脑，
电你脑，电我的脑吗？真的很讨厌的时候会麻麻的，觉得要赶快离开现场。So that's annoying. Okay, so let's put it into a sentence.
Singing is so.
Oh, singing 我们教过嘛 ？Singing that's kids. Singing is 笑 that's smile or laugh.
懂等一下，
懂等一下。That's when a kid smiles, he's very cute.
Singing is go.
哦，笑是笑，叫是哭。哦，when the kid cries.
Singing is go.
Singing a gill.
懂等一脑，
懂等一脑. That means when a child cries, it's very, very annoying. So there you have it. Hope you learned something more here on the Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
什么太嘎？
俺子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.